Jai Hind everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Today I will discuss about JIIB examination related MCQs. If you are preparing for JIIB examinations or looking to strengthen your banking knowledge, you are in the right place. Welcome to part 21 of my Path to the Corner Office JIIB examination series, where I will break down real JIIB examination related MCQs and provide clear, practical explanations to help you strengthen concepts and progress faster in your banking career. Today's MCQ subject topic: Paper 1, Indian Economy and Indian Financial System. Module C, Indian Financial Architecture. Indian banking structure, functions, development of banking in India, scheduled commercial banks, types and functions, local area banks, regional rural banks, cooperative banks, types, payments banks, and small finance banks, NBFCs, key RBI guidelines. Question: the Indian banking system is broadly classified into Option A, public and private banks only. Option B, commercial banks and cooperative banks. Option C, scheduled and non-scheduled banks only. Option D, RBI and NABARD. Correct answer is option B, commercial banks and cooperative banks. Question: scheduled commercial banks are those banks which option A are owned by the government, option B are listed in the second schedule of RBI Act 1934, option C operate only in rural areas, option D do not require RBI license. Correct answer is option B are listed in the second schedule of RBI Act 1934. Question: which of the following is not a scheduled commercial bank? Option A, public sector bank. Option B, private sector bank. Option C, regional rural bank. Option D, cooperative bank. Correct answer is option D, cooperative bank. Question: the main function of commercial banks is option A, issue currency. Option B, accept deposits and provide loans. Option C, regulate monetary policy. Option D, supervise NBFCs. Correct answer is option B, accept deposits and provide loans. Question: development of banking in India before independence was mainly characterized by option A, strong regulation. Option B, branch banking. Option C, frequent bank failures. Option D, high financial inclusion. Correct answer is option C, frequent bank failures. Question: which bank was established as the first Indian bank? Option A, Imperial Bank of India. Option B, Bank of Hindustan. Option C, State Bank of India. Option D, Allahabad Bank. Correct answer is option B, Bank of Hindustan. Question: public sector banks are those banks in which option A, RBI holds 100% stake. Option B, government holds majority ownership. Option C, public holds shares. Option D, NABARD regulates fully. Correct answer is option B, government holds majority ownership. Question: private sector banks are classified into option A, old and new generation banks. Option B, national and regional banks. Option C, large and small banks. Option D, scheduled and non-scheduled banks. Correct answer is option A, old and new generation banks. Question: foreign banks in India mainly operate through option A, cooperative model. Option B, branch banking system. Option C, unit banking system. Option D, rural banking model. Correct answer is option B, branch banking system. Question: regional rural banks RRBs were established mainly to option A, finance industries. Option B, promote exports. Option C, provide credit to rural and weaker sections. Option D, replace cooperative banks. Correct answer is option C. Provide credit to rural and weaker sections. Question. RRBs are jointly owned by option A. RBI, NABARD and state government. Option B. Central government, state government and sponsor bank. Option C. RBI, central government and sponsor bank. Option D. Central government only. Correct answer is option B. Central government, state government and sponsor bank. Question. Local area banks (LABs) operate in option A. Entire country. Option B. One district only. Option C. Maximum of three contiguous districts. Option D. One state only. Correct answer is option C. Maximum of three contiguous districts. Question. Cooperative banks in India are regulated by option A. RBI only. Option B. NABARD only. Option C. RBI and state governments. Option D. SEBI. Correct answer is option C. RBI and state governments. Question. Which of the following is a type of cooperative bank? Option A. Small finance bank. Option B. Urban cooperative bank. Option C. Payment bank. Option D. Development bank. Correct answer is option B. Urban cooperative bank. Question. State cooperative banks operate at the option A. Village level. Option B. District level. Option C. State level. Option D. National level. Correct answer is option C. State level. Question. Payment banks are not allowed to option A. Accept deposits. Option B. Issue debit cards. Option C. Provide loans. Option D. Offer remittance services. Correct answer is option C. Provide loans. Question. The maximum deposit limit per customer in payment banks is option A. Rupees 50,000. Option B. Rupees 1 lakh. Option B. Rupees 2 lakhs. Option D. Rupees 5 lakhs. Correct answer is option C. Rupees 2 lakhs. Question. Small finance banks mainly focus on option A. Corporate banking. Option B. Retail investment banking. Option C. Financial inclusion of small borrowers. Option D. International trade finance. Correct answer is option C. Financial inclusion of small borrowers. Question. Which of the following can be promoted by NBFCs? Option A. Currency issue. Option B. Payment system. Option C. Asset financing and loans. Option D. Demand deposits. Correct answer is option C. Asset financing and loans. Question. NBFCs differ from banks because they option A. Accept demand deposits. Option B. Are part of payment system. Option C. Cannot issue checks. Option D. Are unregulated. Correct answer is option C. Cannot issue checks. Question. NBFCs are regulated by option A. SEBI. Option B. Ministry of Finance. Option C. RBI. Option D. NABARD. Correct answer is option C. RBI. Question. Which of the following is systematically important NBFCs? Option A. NBFC P2P. Option B. NBFC NDSI. Option C. NBFC AA. Option D. NBFC IFC. Correct answer is option B. NBFC NDSI. Question. The primary objective of RBI guidelines is to option A. Maximize bank profits. Option B. Ensure financial stability. Option C. Promote only public sector banks. Option D. Reduce customer base. Correct answer is option B. Ensure financial stability. Question. RBI issues licenses to banks under which act? Option A, RBI Act 1934. Option B, Banking Regulation Act 1949. Option C, Companies Act 2013. Option D, SEBI Act 1992. Correct answer is option B, Banking Regulation Act 1949. Question. Cash reserve ratio CRR is maintained with option A, Government of India. Option B, NABARD. Option C, RBI. Option D, Sponsor Bank. Correct answer is option C, RBI. Question. Statutory liquidity ratio SLR requires banks to maintain liquid assets in the form of option A, cash only. Option B, gold, cash and approved securities. Option C, shares and debentures. Option D, loans and advances. Correct answer is option B, gold, cash and approved securities. Question. Private sector lending guidelines are issued by option A, SEBI. Option B, NABARD. Option C, RBI. Option D, Government of India. Correct answer is option C, RBI. Question. Which banking institutions mainly supports agriculture and rural development? Option A, RBI. Option B, SIDBI. Option C, NABARD. Option D, Exim Bank. Correct answer is option C, NABARD. Question. The Indian banking system follows which type of banking? Option A, unit banking. Option B, branch banking. Option C, group banking. Option D, free banking. Correct answer is option B, branch banking. Question. The present Indian banking structure aims at option A, complete deregulation. Option B, social banking only. Option C, balanced growth, its stability and inclusion. Option D, elimination of NBFCs. Correct answer is option C, balanced growth with stability and inclusion. Thank you very much for your patience. Request to like, subscribe and share.